Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are trying some Born Pretty cat eye polishes. If you guys have been here on the channel before, you guys know that Born Pretty is one of the sponsors of this channel, and yes, today is a sponsored video. I am so extremely excited for this week because I am turning 33. I am celebrating my birthday at the end of this week, getting together with some friends, some family to enjoy some good quality time. You guys know I've been so extremely stressed, pressed, and working every single day of my life, and I'm so excited to tell you guys that I am taking a 2-week long vacation. This will allow me time to be able to sit with you guys, record some content. You guys love my sister here on the channel, so she will be making a feature and we're going to be doing a fun little video. So please keep an eye out for that. If it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on the channel, we talk about nail art, nail designs, nail tutorials, and I am just, again, so extremely excited. You guys can hear it in my voice. I am no longer sick, and I am just so pumped to get into this video. If you haven't already, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. You guys may also see a new hype button. I would love for you guys to engage down in the comments, hit that like button, hype button, so then that way we can grow our family and continue just reaching out into audiences that may not be too familiar with my content. I am so pumped. I miss you guys so much. I also am just trying to find rest. You guys know I've been on my journey with my hip, and it has just been a journey. It's been the last 2 months to where I've been having crazy hip pain. I went to go see my doctor. We are waiting on the blood results to see if I can fit one more autoimmune disease in my tiny little body. If so, I just want to know what type of medication we need to get on so that we can be comfortable, because I would hate to have to do a full hip replacement. If I have, it's either a VS or a NS. God forbid it be a LS, but we are here to have a good time here on the channel. So thank you so much for being here and taking the time and spending it with me. Let's dive in. We have our nail swatches, our UV Solviland portable LED light, or LED or UV light. We've got our number 3 cat eye magnet that I ordered from Amazon, and then of course the 5 stunning colors that we're going to be diving into today. We have Marina 528. This is Marina MY528, and this color is absolutely perfect. I will actually be doing my nails tomorrow, and I was trying to figure out which dress that I was going to wear, and you guys, this color is absolutely perfect. So we're going in with our first coat, making sure everything is nice and even, and we have our portable light here. And now we want to cure these polishes for about 60 seconds. You really want to make sure you get a full cure, especially if you're going to be layering on multiple layers of gel polish. Now, you guys, the color of my dress is literally this hot pink, and I cannot wait to do my nails and use this color because it's absolutely perfect. Now, we just hit it with the cat eye magnet, and it is absolutely stunning. I love the light sheer color that it's giving. To Mocha Rose, this one is MY something something something. I will make sure to flash all of these colors up above the screen, as well as link all of these products down in the description below. Now, this is a sponsored video, so Born Pretty, we love you so much here on this channel, and I'm so excited for all of these stunning colors. Now, this color is definitely giving maroon. It's giving like a deep, deep purple, and it's beautiful. Now, this one is also a cat eye, so I'm curious to see what color is going to be popping out once we've used the magnet. I'm going in with the second layer of polish, now remembering to cure them each time for 60 seconds. And I am very curious, you guys. I feel like this is a perfect color for autumn, for fall. Miss Rochelle, I feel like you would love something like this. And you know what is so funny? I'm acting like it's my very first time using this magnet. I have to go in again because I accidentally touched the polish when it's uncured. So obviously we want it to be tip top. We want it to be perfect. I feel like this is as good as I'm gonna get. I did notice there was a little bit of rippling on the side. So very curious. I guess I must have not recorded the magnet portion, but this is MY426. 426 of light years away. MY514. This one out the bottle is one of the reflective gel polishes. Now, Miss Joan actually has this on her current set, so you may see a couple of shorts with this new polish. Let me know down in the comments. But this one is very sheer, but as you move it back and forth, you can really see the reflective polish. And I did a little bit of research, and yes, when it is nighttime and there is a flashlight on your nails, you will absolutely see the reflective gel polish. It's so crazy. Maybe I'll have to try it for a shorts video because I am so curious. But I've seen a ton of photos and everything online. Now, since this is a more sheer polish, I ended up doing 2 coats before I put on the cat eye magnet. Now, when you get the cat eye magnet on top of it, it's almost like a light pink, almost kind of like shimmery hints of purple, and it is absolutely beautiful. But you guys will have to let me know which color you guys are liking so far. It's very sheer, but that reflective polish is absolutely popping off. Light years away, into the sky, into space. Absolutely beautiful. We have another light years away. This one being, which one is this? Oh, I missed it, but I'll have to let you guys know. I'll put it up on the screen. This one is also another reflective gel polish. This is absolutely beautiful. Now, I work at a place where we wear blue shirts sometimes. Currently, we're wearing green, as you can see why I'm rocking my green nails. But when we switch back to blue, I feel like this reflective gel polish is gonna be perfect. I love that it's giving a little bit more coverage than the last color that we just saw, because that's also a reflective gel polish. This one giving a little bit more coverage, which is nice for me because if I can save time and maybe get away with doing like 1 coat, like your girl is living for it. So we just kissed it with the magnet, having to go in with the magnet again because I'm brand new to this nail game, which is crazy. And I can't seem to get it together. But this one is MY517. Absolutely beautiful. Loving the reflective gel polish. They did their big one. All right, we are going right into Abyss Blue. I am not gonna lie to you guys. I feel like we have this color already. I was looking through all my gel polishes and I swear, and maybe I might have to rewatch some of my videos. I swear we already have MY577. I'm pretty sure is what this one is, because it's giving something I already own. But it must have caught my attention because when Born Pretty sent me the PR list of polishes that I wanted to try, this one caught my eye. And I wouldn't be surprised if it caught my eye the first time around that I picked it, but I'm gonna have to go through my swatches to see if I have the Abyss Blue. But we are still gonna try it here on the channel, hitting it with the cat eye magnet. Let's see what the heck it's giving, because I feel like I already know. And you guys, I don't know what is going on with me during this tutorial, but I am just slightly touching the polish and it's killing me. But this is Abyss Blue and it's looking great. It's looking like something I would like. Let me know down in the comments if we've seen this color. All right, so now we are going to top everything off with our Born Pretty top coat. I love this polish. I love the brush. I love how much like product comes in here, but we are going to go through and we are going to seal these bad beaties up. Making sure that I get enough top coat on that side because I see that it's rippling. So it's like, did I not cure it enough? Did I not clear it? Did I not cure it properly? I normally find that if there is just the slightest bit of rippling, once you hit it with some top coat, seal that up, it should do you good. It should do you good. Don't ask my client Breezy because we definitely had that and her nails were peeling. So we're only human here. So we're going through all of these stunning colors. I want to hear from you guys down in the comments. Hype up this video. You'll see that new little like shooting star. And when you select the hype button, that will allow people that aren't familiar with my channel to get familiar with the channel. But look at all of these colors. They're absolutely perfect. Born Pretty, thank you so much. All right, you guys, I want to hear from you. Which one of these gel polishes are your favorite? I am loving that I am just all of a sudden realizing that they're, excuse me. It is so crazy to me that I am now just understanding and realizing that there is reflective glitter polish out there, you guys. I'm so excited when Born Pretty reaches out and they send me a huge product list and they're like, which one do you want to try? And I'm like going through and I'm just trying to figure out which ones we haven't really experienced here on the channel. Even though Abyss Blue, I'm looking at you because I feel like we have you already. Which would just be so funny. So I want to hear from you guys. Let me know down in the comments. I would just love for you guys to engage. Follow my link tree. That is where you're going to find all my other social media pages. If you guys are interested in what I do on a day-to-day, I post some funny videos on there and I'm trying to get active. But I would love to see you guys there. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, share the video to somebody who may be interested, and click that hype button. Thank you so much again for making it to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, let's put a birthday cake. Let's put a birthday cake down in the comments because it is Taurus season and you best believe we are out. But I will catch you guys for another video soon. Bye.